Wat haba ka jinglap jing babun hangkat ka jingdan ki sakhi ki babiang halo ka jingpha pulit tang khandian ngut sigi ka khaput bat ka asam da ka tana pulit ki he pulit ka chala ba kanthop yu DGP kilan ba kamde ka basisa habau nong pathai ku bor slong mel ubu jingli u DGP ka chala u ar chandranathan urong ba kamlong ka basisa ki pulit ki bun.
There's one question which relates to it also. Why is there a shortage of deployment of forces in the border areas when we could see there's lots of forces?
Which border areas?
In the the Meghalaya Assam border. There's always a shortage of deployment of forces.
No. We reviewed it only how many 15 days back?
Just recently, the Yongkuli incident, there were just 5 police personnel. Where the Assam came with 2-3 buses.
No, it was not like that. Our police
So it was like that.
At least today it's
No, but since we are meeting you once in a blue moon.
your question has nothing to do with today's press conference.